National insurance numbers. Specifically, how do you, the employer, get your hands on this seemingly elusive number for your brand new company? Now, before you panic, let me assure you, it's not actually an employer's national insurance number you need, it's your employees. But it is a crucial piece of information for setting up payroll and ensuring everything runs smoothly. So, let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company a walk in the park. So, you followed our video here on how to find your first employee, and now you have them in the stable ready to let loose. But before you can do that, you need to do the formalities that come with employing someone. The main one being the national insurance number. So, first things first, what exactly is a national insurance number? Think of it as a unique identifier for your employees when it comes to taxes and national insurance contributions. These contributions go towards things like the state pension and healthcare. Now, as an employer, you legally need to collect your employees' national insurance numbers to report their earnings and deductions to HMRC, otherwise known as Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. So how do we actually get this magical national insurance number? They can find their national insurance number on various documents like payslips, P60s, or even through HMRC's online portal or app. There's a link in the video description for those interested in learning more about how employees can access their national insurance number. But in most cases, it won't be your employee's first rodeo, and they will already have their national insurance number on hand to make your life a little bit smoother. That being said, if your employee doesn't have a national insurance number, what can you do? Well, no worries. They can apply for one online through HMRC. However, this process can take some time, so it's best to encourage them to check to do this beforehand. While you wait for your employee's national insurance number, you can still start paying them. However, HMRC will tax them at a higher emergency tax rate until they receive their national insurance number, and you can register them for payroll. So basically, it's within your employee's best interest to get this number to you as soon as possible. Now, as an employer in the United Kingdom, you are typically responsible for paying Class 1 National Insurance Contributions, NICS, on your employees' earnings above a certain threshold. Employers, that's you, must also pay employers' Class 1 National Insurance Contributions on top of the employees' contributions. The amount of national insurance contributions owed depends on the employer's age, earnings, and other factors. So, we won't go into that now and give specifics in this video, but suffice to say that you as the employer would usually make these payments to HM Revenue and Customs on a monthly or quarterly basis. But what if this whole national insurance thing feels a little bit overwhelming? Well, that's where yourcompanyformations.co.uk can be a lifesaver. Our professionals can guide you through the entire process of setting up your business, including registering with HMRC and understanding the payroll requirements. We can help ensure you're collecting the correct information from your employees, including, of course, their national insurance numbers. Starting a new business is exciting, but there can be a lot of administrative hurdles. At yourcompanyformations.co.uk, we can take the weight off your shoulders and ensure you're compliant with all the regulations, including national insurance numbers. Remember, it's your employee's responsibility to provide a national insurance number, but you can definitely help them find it or navigate the application process if needed. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, consider reaching out to one of our team, as we are your one-stop shop for all things business formation and compliance. If you have any questions about national insurance numbers or company formation in general, leave a comment below and we will do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.